Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with another one of my RocksBox unboxings. This is my first box for the summer. Love the change of packaging here. Very, very cute. We're seeing some coral, some pink, some green leaves, the sun. Very, very cute. You guys know the drill. I got this box several weeks ago, so I don't remember what's in here, but I do know that I customized it. So let's go ahead and open her up. Little jewelry care card, then this little paper right here which has information about each piece, but I'm gonna set it aside because I want to be surprised. Here's the little gift paper with the high sticker. Ooh, okay, so we have 2 Kendra Scott pieces and 1 rudiment piece. So let's open the rudiment up first. Ooh, stackable rings, and I actually think I've received this one before, and I remember that I really liked it and I regretted not purchasing it, so I got it again, and this time I'm gonna keep it. Isn't that really, really pretty? That is so, so pretty. I love these stacking rings, and I can fit them on a couple of different fingers, so love that. Very versatile and just so pretty. Here's the first Kendra Scott piece. Ooh, they are really, really pretty. I'm gonna try them on now. Both of these little huggy pairs are from Kendra Scott's fine jewelry collection. They are real gold with real diamonds. How pretty are they? Yeah, these might be a keeper. I have some credits stocked up, so I think now is a good chance to pick some jewelry up. And the last Kendra Scott piece is, ooh, a necklace. It still has its price tag still attached, and I can see right here that it retails for $78. The Alyssa triple gold necklace. Oh, that is so pretty. I love the 3 chains. They're really sparkly. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I'm looking at my mirror and they are super sparkly. So pretty. This might be a keeper too. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's read the details about these pieces. Let's read the information about these pieces. Okay, so these are the Kendra Scott Miku earrings in gold. They retail for $60. The Kendra Scott Alyssa triple strand necklace in gold and mint is $78. And the rudiment Cavallo ring set in sapphire and crystal retails for $63. Now I have some credits stored up, and I think I might keep all 3. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite, if I should keep one or all of them. Let me know your thoughts down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. It really helps me out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button and set it for all. I make new videos every single week, and if you got your notifications on, then you won't miss a thing. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you again so much for watching. Stay tuned.